Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session I'll be discussing about the difference between variable cost and fixed cost and its cost behaviors as far as the total cost and unit costs are concerned. So in this regard I have taken an example. So let me go through the example in order to explain the concept or to explain the difference between variable cost and fixed cost. As you can see from this example, steel factory manufactures steel chairs. There is a steel factory which manufactures steel chairs, and also the relevant cost structure is also given. So you are given the number of quantities, and also you are given the unit price per steel also given, and the total variable cost of manufacturing these units are also given. So as you can see from this cost structure, so when you manufacture one unit, which means one steel chair, your unit cost per steel is going to be constant regardless of you increase the quantity or the volume of production. So when you produce one unit, your total variable cost will be 3. So when you produce 2 units, unit price will be the same, it is constant. However, the total variable cost will be $6. And further, if you manufacture 3 units, still your unit cost will be the same, it's constant. However, the total variable cost will be $9. So please remember, there can be instances where when you purchase bulk quantities, there will be trade discount. So there will be discount given on the purchasing price. But in this example, I have not assumed any trade discount. Okay, the assumption is there is no discount, so therefore your unit cost will be constant regardless of the amount that you produce. Okay, so now what conclusion we can draw from this particular table? So what is the conclusion that we can draw? So the first conclusion is the unit variable cost. Please remember, the unit variable cost remains constant. Okay, so this cost will remain constant regardless of increase in the volume. So regardless of the change in the volume. So regardless of change in the volume, the unit cost is going to be constant. So what is the second conclusion? The second conclusion is the total variable cost changes proportionately as the volume changes. As you can see, so when you increase the number of units, your total variable cost will increase. So this is the cost behavior as far as the variable cost is concerned. Now let's move on to the graph. This graph is derived based on this table. As you can see, your vertical axis represents the total cost and your horizontal axis represents the number of units produced or the volume. As you can see, when you produce one unit, the total cost is $3. As you increase the production to 2 units, your cost will increase to $6. And further, if you increase it to 3 units, the production units 3, then the total variable cost will increase to $9. So as you can see, as you increase the volume, as you increase the production, your total variable cost tends to increase. So therefore there is a linear relationship between the volume as well as the total variable cost. So this is the relationship. So this is all about variable cost. So I have discussed about the the cost behavior as far as the total cost and the unit variable costs are concerned. Now let me move on to the next topic, which is fixed cost.